hold on to your hats, because history has just been made. Nvidia has shattered records to become the world's first ever $5 trillion company. But here's where it gets controversial. Is this meteoric rise a testament to the transformative power of AI, or are we witnessing the inflation of a tech bubble poised to burst? Let's dive in. Nvidia's journey from a niche graphics chip manufacturer to an AI powerhouse is nothing short of remarkable. Fueled by the global frenzy surrounding artificial intelligence, the company's chips have become the backbone of the AI revolution, propelling its stock to unprecedented heights. Just last June, Nvidia crossed the $1 trillion mark, and a mere 3 months ago, it hit $4 trillion. Now, it's in a league of its own, leaving even tech giants like Microsoft and Apple in the dust, both of which recently joined the $4 trillion club. And this is the part most people miss. Nvidia's valuation now surpasses the GDP of every country on Earth except the US and China. According to World Bank data, it's even larger than entire sectors of the S&P 500. This isn't just a win for Nvidia, it's a seismic shift in the global economy, with AI-related companies driving a staggering 80% of the American stock market's gains this year. But with great success comes great scrutiny. Nvidia's dominance is partly due to its strategic partnerships with AI leaders like OpenAI and Oracle, but skeptics are raising eyebrows. For instance, OpenAI's recent $100 billion investment from Nvidia has sparked questions about whether these deals are fueling genuine innovation or simply inflating valuations through what some call financial engineering. Add to that the geopolitical tightrope Nvidia walks with China, its largest market, and you've got a recipe for debate. China's heavy investment in its own chip production and the US government's 15% cut of Nvidia's Chinese revenues highlight the complex dynamics at play. Even former President Donald Trump, who lifted a ban on Nvidia's advanced chip sales to China, has weighed in, stating that discussions with Chinese leader Xi Jinping will include Nvidia's Blackwell AI processors. Is this collaboration or competition? The line is blurrier than ever. Meanwhile, warnings of an AI bubble are growing louder. The Bank of England, the International Monetary Fund, and even JP Morgan's Jamie Dimon have sounded alarms, urging caution amid the euphoria. Danny Hewson of AJ Bell summed it up perfectly. A $5 trillion valuation is a number so vast, it's almost incomprehensible. Yet, the market marches on, seemingly undeterred. Nvidia's CEO, Jensen Huang, remains bullish, predicting $500 billion in AI chip orders next year. But as the company's share price soars, up over 50% this year alone, one can't help but wonder, how long can this last? Are we on the cusp of a new era of innovation, or is this the peak before the fall? What do you think? Is Nvidia's success a sustainable triumph of technology, or are we overlooking warning signs of a looming bubble? Let's hear your thoughts in the comments. This is one conversation you won't want to miss.